Extend the life of your shooter buck 3D target with vital replacement inserts. Larger insert than comparable 3D targets. Stops all broadhead, field tip or expandable arrows. Easy arrow removal. Made in the USA. High-density foam. High-density impact response foam targets are tough enough to withstand repeated shots from field points, broadheads, and expandables at multiple angles. The durable material in this solid, long-lasting, one-piece target will stop your arrow in its tracks. Huge target. All Shooter 3D targets are marked with vital zone rings and range in size from the 19-inch tall Shooter Hog, up to 51-inch tall, antler height, big shooter buck. Shooter provides archers with a wide array of realistic and long-lasting targets for the best practice money can buy. Strong and sturdy. Designed with weather-resistant technology and comes with stakes so it will last and stand strong. Portable, slim and produced without excess foam in unnecessary areas, shooter targets are the perfect balance of value and performance. Top reviews from the United States. It appears to be of great quality. It appears to be heavier than the original one bought with the target.